Greetings, everyone. Today I'm going to present the research Kimball and data warehouse for sales in a manufacturing business in Peru. Before begin, I would like to introduce the authors of this research. The lead author is Carlos Palomino, a doctor in administration from Federico Villarreal University. He also holds a master's degree in information technology from the Polytechnic University of Catalonia and has more than 10 years of experience in project management, with certifications such as PMP and PNI ACP. His extensive experience in both academia and industry has contributed greatly to the development of this study. Is currently a professor at several prestigious universities in Peru, including the Technological University of Peru, where he teaches courses of technology management and business intelligence. The co-author is engineer Patricia Condori, assistant engineer with expertise in project planning, development, and constant feedback tasks aimed at optimizing management and development tools. Her work focuses on understanding user behavior and managing projects related to technology adoption and improvement. Together, these two experts had brought their combined experience in business intelligence and project management to this study, which address a key challenge for small and medium-sized enterprises in emerging countries and markets like Peru. Introduction. Today, we will discussing the implementation of a business intelligence system in a manufacturing business located in Lima, Peru. The primary goal of this implementation was to improve the company decision-making process and marketing strategies by using data to guide business action. The company faced several challenges, particularly in its ability to analyze sales trends and make informed decisions about its marketing campaigns. This study focused on demonstrating how the adoption of BI system, specifically through the creation of a datamart using the Kimball methodology, can significantly improve sales performance, enhance customer loyalty, and streamline decision-making processes. In today's highly competitive business environment, companies need tools that allow them to analyze data effectively to make better decisions. Business intelligence is one such tool, and it enables companies to transform raw data into actionable insights. These insights, in turn, help business optimize their processes, improve customer satisfaction, and increase profitability. This case study focused on the real-world application of BI technology in a small to medium-sized enterprises and examine the benefits it brings to a company that operates in a highly competitive market. Methodology and problem identification. The problem identified in this research was that the manufacturing business lacked adequate information to make a strategic decision regarding its sales and marketing processes. The company was using outdated systems to track and analyze its sales data, which resulted in delays and inaccuracies in decision making. This information gap led to inefficient marketing strategies and stagnant sales growth. To solve this problem, the study set three main objectives. The first objective was to evaluate the relationship between companies' marketing strategies and the use of BI technologies. The second objective was to assess how the implementation of BI technology could directly impact the growth of sales. Finally, the third objective was to examine whether BI technology could influence customer loyalty and retention. To achieve these objectives, Kimball methodology was chosen. This methodology is widely used for development of datamart, which are smaller focuses database designed to handle specific business processes, such as sales analysis. The Kimball approach is a bottom-up methodology, which means it begins by building individual data marts for specific processes and then integrates them over time to form a larger data warehouse. This method is particularly suitable for small and medium enterprises because it allows for the incremental development of the base system, ensuring that costs are kept under control and that the implementation can proceed without requiring a full-scale data warehouse from the outset. Phases of the methodology. The methodology was executed in three key phases. Phase 1, problem identification and methodology selection. The first phase was to identify the main problem and select the appropriate methodology for implementation. A thorough literature review was conducted, which revealed that the adoption of BI systems in small and medium enterprise is both feasible and beneficial. However, many small and medium enterprises in emerging markets face significant barriers to implement BI systems. These barriers include high costs, long implementation times, and lack of technical expertise. For this reason, it was essential to choose a methodology that could minimize this challenge. The Kimball methodology was selected because its flexible and adaptability its flexible and adaptability to the needs of a smaller business. It allows for the gradual implementation of BI by focusing on specific processes, such as sales, and then expanding the system as needed. This bottom-up approach ensures that the implementation is cost-effective and can be complete in a shorter time frame, compared to other methodologies like IMOS, which require top-down approach and a full-scale data warehouse from the start. Phase 2, execution and methodology. In the second phase, the focus switch to the execution of the methodology. The business sales processes were analyzed in detail to identify areas where improvements could be made. The primary objective at this stage was to increase sales volume and to overall amount of sales. The data mart was designed using the star schema model, which is ideal for dimensional modeling and analysis. This model allows for the efficient organization of data related to the key business entities, such as product, customers, and sales transactions. To build the BI system, several key tools were used. SQL Server Management Studio was used to manage the company's database. The SQL Server Integration Services was implemented to handle the ETL process. This process is essential for moving data from various resources into the datamart. SQL Serving Reporting Services was used to generate reports based on the data stored in the datamart, allowing the company to analyze sales trend, customer behaviors, and the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. Finally, SQL Server Analysis Services was used to create multidimensional information cubes, which enable the company to perform advanced data analysis across various dimensions, such as time, products, and customer segments. The implementation process involved close collaboration with stakeholders in the company who provide input on the requirements for the BI system. Once the requirements were gathered, the BI system was developed and tested to ensure that it met the company's needs. The system was deployed and the sales data began to be collected and analyzed in real time. Phase 3, model evolution. After the system was implemented, the final phase involved evolving the model. The VA system was continuously improved based on feedback from users and the evolving needs of the business. New business metrics were added as needed, and the data mart was expanded to include additional dimensions and measures that would allow the company to gain deeper insights into its operations. This phase also includes the collection of user feedback through questionnaires. The feedback was used to identify areas where system could be improved, such as adding new reports or adjusting the data collection processes. The goal of this phase was to ensure that BI system remained flexible and adaptable as the business grew and its information needs change. Instrument creation and results evaluation. To evaluate the impact of the BI system, a comprehensive questionnaire was developed. The questionnaire contains 25 questions divided into two main sections. The first section focuses on the BI system itself, with 11 questions designed to measure factors such as the quality of information provided, the speed of decision-making, and the reliability of the system. The second section, which contains 14 questions, focus on the impact of the BI system on sales growth. This section measures indicators such as sales volume, customer segmentation, and the effectiveness of marketing strategies. To ensure the reliability and validity of the questionnaire, Chromebase Alpha was used to measure internal consistency. Both sections of the questionnaire received a score of 0.8, indicating a high level of reliability. Additionally, the content and construct validity of the questionnaire were confirmed through expert review and statistical analysis. Once of the questionnaire was complete, it was administered to 200 employees at the manufacturing business. The results of this questionnaire were analyzed using chi-square tests to evaluate the hypothesis set out in the study. Results and conclusion. The results of the study confirmed that the implementation of BI system had a significant positive impact on the company's sales processes. The first hypothesis, which proposed that BI implementation would improve marketing strategies, was supported by the data. The company saw a notable improvement in the effectiveness of its products promotion, customer segmentation, and marketing campaigns. The second hypothesis, which suggested that the BI would help increase sales, was also confirmed. The data show that sales volume per customer and per product increased significantly after the BI system was implemented. The system allowed the company to analyze sales trends in the real time and make informed decisions about inventory management, pricing, and promotions. The third hypothesis, which focused on the impact of BIs on customer loyalty and segmentation, was supported as well. The company was able to better segment its customer base, identify key customers group, and tailor its marketing efforts accordingly. This results in an increase in customer retention and loyalty. In addition to the questionnaire results, a document review was conducted to compare sales data from before and after the implementation of the BI system. The review showed a clear upward trend in sales, particularly in the years following the implementation of BI system. These findings align with the literature, which suggests that BI can have a substantial impact on sales growth and customer relationships in small and medium enterprises. Conclusion and future work. In conclusion, this research demonstrates the value of business intelligence technology for small and medium-sized enterprises in emerging markets. The implementation of datamart using the Kimball methodology proved to be a cost-effective and efficient way to improve decision-making, enhance marketing strategies, and increase sales. As a future work, this study can serve as a model for other medium-sized enterprises looking to adopt BI technology. Expanding the system to cover other business processes such as supply chain management or customer service could lead to even greater benefits. Additional, further research could explore the long-term impact of BI on business performance. Thank you for your attention. This study highlights the potential of business intelligence to drive growth and success in small and medium-sized business. By using the Kimball methodology, we were able to implement a system that provides valuable insights and allow the company to remain competitive in challenging market. I hope this presentation has inspired you to consider possibilities that BI technology can offer to business of all sizes.